Okay, let's go in the pool and see what it's like close up. Wow, they did a lot of work today. And it was very noisy. Alright, so this is the first day. Okay, it's 1:45 a.m. Let's see how much the pool has filled in. It hasn't even filled in the actual all of the bottom. So tomorrow when I wake up, it's going to be full. Okay, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon the following day, and the pool is not full like I thought it would be. It takes a long time to fill up a pool. And this is how full it is. It's about almost halfway. And it looks beautiful. I love the blue color. Let's get another angle. Look at that. It's going to be so nice to go swimming again after years of not using our pool. And here's the pool a few hours later. It has to fill up to that line right there. And this is what the Pebble Tec looks like without the water over it and with the water. Okay, this is the level after more than 24 hours. It's still filling up. The pool is filled up. Looking great. I love the color.